Well, good morning. This is part 2 of my microphone for my GoPro setup. I've been waiting for this to turn up from China. Okay, it's a nice little box, and I will do an unboxing. It's a Julvanzi or something like that. I will put a link to it in the description, so there will be a link to this on Amazon. So let's unbox it. So grab the packaging. There we go. And oh, that's quite nice, isn't it? Look at that. It's quite a nice little box. And it's got a slider on it as well. Look at that. Ooh, yes, I like that. And a hot shoe as well. Ah, okay. Looks good. Let's put the camera in. Right. Camera's in. Slides in nice and easy. Slide the back on. And that's quite sturdy, look. No rattle. So that's holding it nice. The only thing you lose is your... Well, with my other one, where is it? Over there. This one I was using. You do have the opportunity to put filters and things on the front of this, and it's got a lens protector. But can't have everything, can we? Until they bring a metal one out like this, we'll have to suffer with this. So yeah. Well, let's pop in the adapter. Where are we? There we are. I think we have to put it in that way round, like that. There we go. We just slide that in. It slides in quite nicely, and it's nice and tight. It's not rattling. Hook up that. By heck, that's nice, isn't it? So there we go. Right, let's put it on a stand, shall we? There we are. That's quite nice, isn't it? So I like that. It's nice, neat and tidy, tucked away, and I can put my microphone in. So if I'm talking to me, I'm sorry, if I'm talking to me, I'm always talking to myself, sorry. Talking to the camera, that's I can have that pointing towards me. And if I'm doing a bit away from camera, swing it around and still listen to what I'm saying. Unlucky for some. And I believe that this won't show in the thing. Let's turn on. There we go. Right, now we've got it on. Can you see the screen? Yes. Okay, so, well, that's quite good. I don't know if you can quite see that with the lights in here. I'm in a conservatory and the light's coming down from the roof, as you can see. If I lift it up a bit, no, you can't quite get it, I don't think. But you can't see the microphone in the shot. Even if I push it right the way around, still not there. That's pretty good, that. And that's on wide. I must admit, the camera is on wide. It's tucked away in there like that. Look at that. There, I reckon that is brilliant. And it wasn't a lot of money either. Silly money. Yeah. But brilliant. Whoever made that, thank you very much. You have made an old vlogger very happy, because now it's all like that. It's all neat and tidy. You've got to take the cover off, obviously, because I don't think the cover will... It might sit up with it on, I don't know. I'll have to try it at some point and see. Well, let me see if I can find the cover very quickly. I do know where it is. I do keep it neat and tidy. I got a nice little box, but very quickly no, I can't show you the box because it's too big to set underneath my setup I've got here at the moment. But if I put the thing back on there, let me unplug that, clip that back in, and I don't think that's going to go down. No, it's not. Okay, we won't bother with that. It won't fit. So yeah, but there, I'm impressed with that little device. And I was looking at this one. A guy in America had one of these, and when I went to the place in America he got it from, they'd sold out. So that was that. But I was doing a lot of searching on Amazon and I found this one on Amazon. And as I say, I will, in the description, put this on for you. So there you go. All very good. Very nice little carrier for your very expensive audio adapter. Thank you, GoPro, yes. But it works great. I'm really impressed with that. So there we go. That's a new one. Much better than trying to fix it with a bit of Velcro, even though that did work very well, I must admit. But it's much better like that, and it's much more neat and tidy. So if you do want a nice stealth vlogging setup, look at that. Lovely. And these nice little, I don't know where I got this from. It works lovely. Okay, there we go. It's enough waffling from me. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, the next one will be probably testing this out now. I have to go for a walk somewhere and test it out and see what it's like. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.